Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn how to find duplicate values in a Excel file. Open the Excel file from which you want to find the duplicate value. Select the range of cells from which duplicate value has to be found. Click on Excel's Home tab. Choose Conditional Formatting to highlight cells rules to duplicate values. Select Duplicate from here. Select Option from here to highlight the duplicate cells. So, let's try with another cell. Select the new column and process. Select new color for cells from here. See, the duplicate values have highlighted. Duplicate value get highlighted and all other values will not get highlighted. Let's try another also. There are other options also which you can check. We are Excel4Tally.com and you can import all your data from Excel to Tally in short time by Excel4Tally.com utility. Search Excel4Tally.com on internet. Sign up free for importing data from Excel to Tally. Contact us for any query. Subscribe to our channel Excel for Tally. Watch our other videos to learn Tally and Excel. Subscribe to our channel for latest update on Excel and Tally.